Hey, I'm Jason Elcott. I'm the operations manager with Weatherguard Gutters, and today we're actually out at one of our free cleanings that we're offering. So during this crazy time of COVID and the lockdown, Weatherguard's really been blessed to have the opportunity to work through that, and so we really wanted to give back to our community and to our customers. So Stephen came up with the incredible idea to go out to our current customer list and send everybody an email, and if they were over the age of 70 on our customer list, we offered a free gutter cleaning to them. And so we asked people to apply for that and went through a number of applications and have actually decided to offer up 20 free gutter cleanings this year. And so we're doing that today. We're going to a number of different locations. The guys are behind us here getting some work done. And we're just excited about the opportunity to be able to kind of give back, and the feedback's been amazing so far. People have been excited. And we know that there are people out there that are going through some really challenging times, and we're just thankful for the opportunity to be able to do our part to give back, and look forward to be able to continue to grow and serve the communities that we're a part of.